Kementeri Ketenat Kakot Kekia Kakong Amprin Lingdo Hakasngi Baar Kalai Thu Baka Sorkar Jilla Minta Kadang Pynkylla ban Pynkylla deki Hospital Sorkar kumki Medical College. Habai kren bikila pathai khubor Kementeri Kalaong bakum ke Jilla kan sayo iki Medical College tat enda labiang nadong shadong kajing Pynkylla.
The state of Meghalaya is in a stage of preparation of the institutioning of medical institutions. Now, the one thing that the state of Meghalaya must understand very clearly is that if you are not ready for a medical college, you should not declare a medical college, because the 85 to 93 seats that we get regularly for our students as sponsored seats from all the states in the supervision of the union government will stop coming. We will only have a medical college if we are ready for it. Right now, the status of the Tura campus of the medical college is facing some challenges because of the infrastructure building. Budgets are overshooting. There have been some confusion, some conflict between implementation of these infrastructures, contract, and the department that has to actually execute these infrastructure building in Garo Hills. And so there's a bit of a delay. We are now engaging actively with the Honorable Chief Minister to see what is the alternative to ensure that we have that 136 odd crores that are required to complete the Tura Medical College. In Khasi Hills, like I have said, we are looking at another model where we will utilize all the facilities within Shillong city and its neighboring areas. And we're looking at civil hospital, we're looking at the Sauli facility there, we're looking at Ganeshdas, we're looking at this Red Chest hospital, where we already have sufficient infrastructure. So I believe that allow us to study this matter properly. Do not be in a hurry. Can't help it if our state is not ready. Look at what is happening in the state of Nagaland and other states that have recently declared their medical colleges. Immediately their citizens will not be able to avail those sponsored seats from the government of India. And immediately for a period of 5 years, you will not have medical students going from government quotas any longer from those states where they have recently started this. I, for one, would believe that we will declare the medical colleges when we are 100% sure that they are going to work. And right now, 2 projects are being identified for the people of the state of Meghalaya. We may have taken time. There are so many challenges, and I feel that if we are not ready yet, this is what we should do and this is what we should accept and wait for the state to be ready. Because you have to look at faculty, you have to look at requirements of other facilities, you have to look at the logistics, you have to look at travel time for faculty, for students. So many important components are there in this project, and we want to tell the people of the state of Meghalaya, if we give you a university, we have to make sure medical college is an important thing, but at the same time, it is a commitment that should be workable. We have to ensure that it works.